So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Elsie and you're watching Elsie tutorial. So for today's video, we have here the Havoc OS version 4.1. This is a latest version of Havoc OS right now, and this is a GSI. So as you can see, this is not a wallpaper, it's kinda nice. It's all material. No abstract, the abstract there. And we have here the few or yeah, we have here a few bloatwares, like for example the calendar, the clock, the contacts, the files, the gallery, messaging, phone settings, and also the sim toolkit. So if, as you can see guys, we have no Google application in this room because this is a standalone room. But if you want Google application, then you can install that via G apps. So I review this room guys because there is one feature that doesn't exist on the other GSI custom room, like the offline charging. So later on I will test the offline charging because the offline charging is working in this room. So that is the reason why I made a video on this room. But I already reviewed this room a while. You can check that on my channel. So again, I'm going to tour you guys into the settings here, the about phone. So this is Android 11. Yeah, this is Android 11, everybody. Android 11, and also we have here a working capacitive navigation keys and the physical keys as well as, yeah, it's working. And also my kernel here is each kernel version 1, and I'm gonna show you guys the bugs in this room. So we have here the bugs, the flashlight, and also the camera. We have no camera here, so camera is bug. And the third one is the brightness slider. Again, I think this is from the kernel I use, because some other Android 11 I'm using different kernel, it doesn't have this kind of bug. So I think the kernel is the responsible for this. So that's the third bug, and also the fourth bug in this is the Wi-Fi hotspot. Yes, Wi-Fi hotspot in this room, it's not working. Yeah, let me show you guys. Yeah, it doesn't work. So let's now proceed and the working features in this room. So the working features in this room is the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, the mobile data, and as well as a SIM card is detected. We have here smart. If you're in the Philippines, you're familiar with this. I have here a SIM of smart. Mobile data is also working, and that's that's also my impression of this room guys. It's very responsive, smooth, and yeah, it's really good. And also the battery backup is really good in this room. We have here the battery about 1 day and 10 hour left. So I'm gonna show you guys because my camera is not focusing. And now I'm going to test if the offline charging is working in this room. So first we need to switch off the device, and we need to charge the device. And let's see if the offline charging is really working in this room. As you can see, it's working. We need to see if it is working. Yes, offline charging in this room. Havoc OS version 4.1 Android 11 is working. The offline charging is really works in this room. So far I reviewed a lot of GSI Android 11 custom rooms, and so far this room is working. Beside perhaps the offline charging in this room is working, unlike the other GSI room that I reviewed in my channel. So if you guys want to use this room, then I will put the link in the description on how to install this into your Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. I will link the three files there, the room, the create vendor, and also the TREBLUE. And also you can use this room into another device or another smartphones, but I can only give you the room, but I don't know how to flash that. I only know how to flash this in or on Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you like this video and give a thumbs up, and also comment any suggestions or thoughts in this video, and also share this video into your social media platform. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you next video, guys. Have a good day. Bye.